Hey everyone, today I am with cheapest 4G Infinity display smartphone. OUKITEL C8. You get a couple of extras here with the phone, such as a screen protector that's already applied to the display upon opening the package, as well as a clear silicone case which is already on the phone as well. Main features: 3000 mAh battery, 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM, Android Nougat, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera. Let's dive in and take a closer look at the OUKITEL C8 and see what it has to offer. Beyond those two items, you have the phone itself, the wall adapter, the USB charging cable, user manual, and warranty card. Let's take a closer look at the design of OUKITEL C8 and see what it has to offer. It's equipped with a 5.5-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 640. The back cover, which you can take off to get to the removable battery, as well as the SIM card and micro SD card slots, is made from plastic. Let's start the phone. Above the screen we get 5 megapixel camera with LED flash and calling speaker. While the right side of the device has the power button and the volume up and down buttons. The left side of the device is completely bare. While the top of the phone has the micro USB charging port and a 3.5mm audio port for plugging in a standard pair of headphones. While the camera, LED flash, and fingerprint sensor on the back are located towards the middle top. The one and only speaker on the device can be found on the back and will be located in the bottom left corner. The bottom of the phone is also bare, save for the mic that picks up your voice during phone calls. Moving on, and the C8 also comes equipped with a 5.5-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 640. This isn't quite HD and it shows, though not by much, so those who aren't exactly concerned with the screen's resolution may not notice and think it looks just fine. (16GB of internal storage space with support for expandable storage up to a 32GB micro SD card. The phone also has a 3000 mAh battery to keep it going throughout the day. The OUKITEL C8 is powered by a quad-core MT6737 processor. It comes paired with 2GB of RAM. You can turn on some shortcuts of your phone actions through Smart Wake setting. You can adjust the virtual keys as per your desire. It runs on Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box, so it has access to things like Google Assistant. The phone camera quality in terms of images and videos are not the bad either, but you have to remember that this is a $70 phone with an 13 megapixel camera sensor, so there will be some good in quality for the photos and videos that you get. The camera doesn't do the best in low light situations as it loses a sum of detail, and because you don't have a manual mode it's impossible to change the exposure compensation or the shutter speed, both of which would help the image look brighter and bring some of that detail back. But it can take photos and videos in the best of the best lighting conditions. The photos and videos do look good. When it comes to the camera features, the software offers up a few different modes, and these include your standard photo mode, the panorama mode, and the face beauty mode. If the subject in your pictures is another person and you want to focus on the features of their face a little more than anything else, there is also an HDR button, which is always nice to have, and you do get some color effects options that are located in the camera settings, which you can access by tapping on the little gear button. The fingerprint sensor is working very good. Have a decent accuracy rate, so while it missed my finger once or twice throughout the whole time using it, the rest of the time it had no trouble at all. If you want to purchase this phone, I placed the link in the description. I ordered several products from TomTop. I have no issue with the transactions.